Come on, Venus, we have a box. We messed up. We forgot. We forgot to open the July box, and now it's August. Are you gonna come over? Come on. Cat lady. So, no artwork this month. Just a logo. Let's see what there is. There you are. What do we have here? Itsy bitsy teeny weeny catnip bikini. I think they missed a few pieces, but anyway. Catnip bikini. Here. Look, it has feathers. Does it smell good? Did they get the good catnip again? They might have. They might have. Maybe. And this one, potty time disco ball. Potty time. I think the dogs are going to think this is theirs. That's a big cat toy. It's a really big cat toy. Got a sticker. You just went in the box. 2 plastic wine glasses. Tiki cat. And again, this is the July box. We messed up and we didn't open up the July box. Tiki. Uh-oh, you're going to get help this month. A blue one and a pink one. Put all the trash in the box. Zeus, you here to help? Yeah. Do you want to wear the bikini? Yeah. T-shirt. What's the t-shirt say? Catterday forever. I like it. What do you think? You like it? I'll put it here. And this is a beach towel. She says, I just want the box. I don't care about anything else. I just want the box. This is an interesting beach towel. It's not terry cloth. It's really super smooth, like a chamois. It's gigantic. It's tiki tacky. And it looks like Nick's. It looks like your sister, who never comes and enjoys the box opening. There's one more thing in here, and then I'll let you have your box. It is, looks like a trivet, a bamboo trivet. Look at that. That's cute. See? That could be you. You squint your eyes. Yeah. Use it as a coaster for your 2 wine glasses. So it says here, Forever Catterday Tea, Tiki Cat wine glasses, Tiki Time beach towel, Trivet cat coaster, or Chili Kitty ice packs. So I guess there was a chance of getting ice packs. Potty Time disco ball catnip toy, and itsy bitsy teeny weeny catnip bikini toy. And no artwork. We sort of enjoy the artwork, don't we, Zeus? Yeah? Here. You guys just gonna hang out here? Yeah, the toys are just not all that interesting anymore. Why is that? Why is that? Why is that? Somebody's sneaking in. Yeah. Somebody's sneaking in. Uh-huh. This is pretty cute. Maybe we'll put it out on the catio for Nixie since she's on it. Toucan Sam's at the top. Toucan Sam. It's a good thing I took map folding class. Yeah. This is where I blow it though, the last couple folds. Alright, that's the July box. You want that? You want this? You want that? It's gold like you. Yeah. She just likes the box. What a cat. Thanks for watching. And later this month we'll do the August box. Hopefully. Hopefully we don't forget again. Yeah, she's just content to have a new box with some fresh tissue paper. Somebody snuck in. Somebody says, when is there going to be a dog lady box? I don't know that they make one. Is being a dog lady a thing? Is a dog lady actually a thing? I don't know. Maybe he says, I want that gold ball. Alright. See you next month.